Hi guys, let me just share a little bit about my latest hi-fi upgrade and talk a little bit about the Weiduka power filter. So this is my latest upgrade. I have changed this cable from the stock cable from Weiduka, which is way thinner, to this cable that I DIY by myself. So I bought the UK plug, which is costing around ringgit Malaysia 50 over. This connector around 20 over ringgit Malaysia, and this cable is way slightly, I wouldn't say slightly, I would say this is twice the price of my long 2-meter power cable, right, which is around 20 something over ringgit. But in total it's around near to 100 ringgit, so equivalent to like 23 US dollar, right? Okay. So this is the latest upgrade. So after this upgrade, I can hear significant improvement in terms of sound separation and also bass. Okay, I want to talk about one of the questions from one of the YouTube friend. Yeah, he asked about if I can take the video to show the difference with or without using this filter. I would like to apologize because I don't have the kind of equipment to do that. I would just like to explain a little bit about using this filter for kind of like a year or so, like almost I think 2 years. So this filter will basically provide me kind of like near 5 to 10% of sound improvement in terms of the clarity, in terms of the sound separation, meaning I can hear the instrument separate better and also better bass. Okay, so for me this one is not too significant improvement, but there is a improvement. But I think the biggest improvement is this cable connecting to the amplifier. Even though it's 2 meter, I should bought a shorter one, or I should have cut it. Okay, once I use this cable, I can feel that the improvement is around 5, not 5, it's around 10 to 15% improvement in terms of the sound separation, in terms of the bass. Even it toned down a bit of the sharpness, harshness, right? It's more gentle. I don't know why, but I feel that the music is more gentle. It's a bit more warmer, but the most significant is the sound separation. Really, I would say really like this amplifier is like a brand new different amplifier when I plug into this power cable. Okay, this one not too significant, but it's still like providing me 5 to 10% improvement. So yeah, I would suggest you guys would try to upgrade the cables. These two cables are most important. This one maybe I feel optional, unless the power supply in the house is pretty unclean. There's a lot of noise due to bad wiring, or the wiring is already very old. So probably you can try to get this to filter out a little bit of the noise. Else, go for this and this first. Okay, alright. Hope this video helps you guys. Bye.